Hello friends. If you want to get new video or new technology and what about the machinery, so please open our machine maintenance training on YouTube, and here come to the subscribe and push subscribe and push bell icon with all. So you have subscribed. Now when we will upload new video, so that time you will get notification and you can watch easily. Thank you. Today we will tell you about potentiometer and linear scale and what is the relation between both of them. That both work at 10K and that 0 they distribute the 0 to 10 voltage only. You can see that here that one 10K this is the linear scale and model number also that here are you can see the 3 wire like that port that potentiometer, and we fix here the 3 wire that you can see that red, black and blue also. Here we will show you something that what is the working of this and how it will work. So first have to understand what is this, that you can see that 11 kilo ohm between the resistance of 2, and what is the working of this you can learn here very well. So first we have to tell you what is this. Actually this is the linear scale. You can see that same we made in a graphic, and here this is the plate, base plate of this, where your piston will be moved and you will get very well kilo ohms. Here that one plate in this side, inside of your cylinder. Here that you can see that this is the brass plate, copper plate, and only one pipe is here. One wire is connected here, and here that carbon plate, carbon 10K difference between here to here. That total resistance between here, that you can see that one point here, blue color, and this is going. If we click that inside of this, because this is the insulated plate and it is going there, and this is connected here. So between them the 10K difference is there. And also same thing in if you will check your this is your potentiometer. If you want to see that here that 10K difference between this is the carbon plate also, same carbon plate, and this is the handle, middle handle. It rotate at the top of this level. So when it rotate, so it converted the kilo ohms here. That suppose here it is that this point is over this, because you can see here that this is the point. This is the point 1 which is rotate touch on the carbon, and this is the base that it will be rotate on your base plate at the middle. Now you can see I remove this middle plate, and this is that plate where it will be touch, and one this point. So 10K difference, this point, this wire to this wire, 10K difference, and when our middle portion will be rotate, so it will be touch here and it touch here, so it will be tell us that what is the kilo ohms here. When we will put one wire 0 volt here and 10 volt here, so that time very well volt we can get at this point. Same thing as in your linear scale also. Here the same thing, that one carbon plate, the 2 wire at the corner from this and one from there. When some piston or some plate will touch both here, so difference here to here we can get, or here to here we can get the very well kilo ohms we can get. If suppose we will give that 0 volt here and 10 volt here, so we can get 5 volt, 0 to 10 volt very well. That 0, if 0 is here, so 0 can get we can get here, or 10 we can get here. Now this is the full your linear scale. 3 wire here, 3 point here, so we can touch 3 wire here. We remove the center body. Here you can see that one piston is here. So what is the working of piston? This is the piston of this our linear scale. When it will be on carbon plate, and this side it will be travel on your copper plate. Same thing, one on this copper and one on this copper and one on this carbon. It will be tell us that what is the wire detail here. So we will check that the wire now. We connect 3 point with the wire. That you remember that green wire is coming from here, and the red and blue wire is coming from this side, one and other end. So when it will travel, so that time difference we will get the, if it travel, so that time it will be tell the where it is, that it will be give the voltage. If you will provide the 0 to 10 volt, so it will be provide 0 to 10 volt in variable state. So this is the basic working of this. When it will be go this side, so what wire we have given in 0 volt and 10 volt, we can get variable there. So this is the working of that same pneumatic or some hydraulic cylinder, but we can get the variable voltage only as per a output here. So now here you can see that voltage. This is the two wire, that red and that, and now we have put one this wire, that you can see one type blue and that the zero difference. So when we will pull this your bracket outside, so that some here that it is increasing the kilo ohm. When it is going outside, we are pulling this here, so it is increasing the kilo ohms. And when we will push inside, so at that time it will be reduced. If we will change the wire there, suppose now we will connect this blue wire with red middle wire, so that time function will be opposite function we will get. That now pulling time it will be decreased, and when we will push inside, now we will pulling, so you can see that now it is decreasing, because now we have attached middle wire and blue wire, and when we will push, so it will be decreased. So that is the only thing. The now pulling, so this is, you can see, the reducing the value there, and when we will push, so that inside, so that time it will be. So the function of the this linear scale is same. You can see that this is the variable 0 to, and that is the middle portion of this. That same things as potentiometer. So guys, understand I think you understand what is the means of linear scale, and what is the difference between potentiometer and your linear scale. Thank you very much.